There are places on our planet so strange, so breathtaking, that they almost defy reality. Vivid pink lakes that look like spilled paint, glowing caves that shimmer like galaxies underground, and landscapes so crazy you'd swear they belonged on another planet. But these places, they're right here on Earth. Today, we're exploring 10 places that don't feel real, but absolutely are. Make sure to stick around until the end, because number 1 might just change how you see the world forever. Number 10, Socotra Island, Yemen. Often called the most alien-looking place on Earth, Socotra is home to strange dragon blood trees with umbrella-shaped tops that look like something from a Dr. Seuss book. Its remote isolation has allowed unique plants and animals to evolve that exist nowhere else on the planet. With its eerie beauty and otherworldly terrain, Socotra feels more like a set from Star Wars than a real island on Earth. Number 9, Antelope Canyon, USA. Hidden in the Arizona desert, this slot canyon feels like a living sculpture. Centuries of wind and flash floods carved smooth, flowing waves into the sandstone walls, glowing in deep reds and golds as light filters through from above. When the midday sun hits just right, the beams of light create a mystical atmosphere photographers travel across the world to capture. Number 8, the Great Blue Hole, Belize. Off the coast of Belize lies a massive, perfectly circular sinkhole in the middle of the ocean. Known as the Great Blue Hole, it's over 300 meters wide and 125 meters deep, and its deep sapphire color sharply contrasts with the turquoise waters around it. When seen from above, it looks almost too perfect to be real, like someone dropped a portal into the sea. Divers who venture inside find ancient stalactites and crystal-clear water teeming with marine life. It's mysterious, mesmerizing, and one of the world's most striking natural wonders. Number 7, Zhangjiajie National Forest, China. If you've ever seen Avatar, these mountains might look familiar. The floating Hallelujah Mountains were inspired by Zhangjiajie, towering sandstone pillars that pierce through clouds and mist. Each spire is covered in lush green vegetation, and when fog rolls in, it looks like you're standing inside a real-life fantasy world. There's even a glass bridge suspended between 2 cliffs, offering views that will make your heart race. Number 6, Lake Hillier, Australia. A lake that's bubblegum pink. Located on Middle Island off the coast of Western Australia, Lake Hillier's vivid color isn't an illusion. It's caused by microorganisms that thrive in its salty water. Even when you scoop it up in your hand, it stays pink. Surrounded by turquoise ocean and white sand, it's one of the most bizarrely beautiful contrasts on Earth. Before we continue, if you love discovering incredible destinations like these, but hate the stress of planning, I've got you covered. Check out the Ultimate Travel Planner, linked in the description below. It's designed to make organizing your next trip easy, fun, and stress-free, so you can spend less time planning and more time exploring the world. Number 5, Trolltunga, Norway. Perched about 1,100 meters above sea level, Trolltunga, which translates to the troll's tongue, is one of the most jaw-dropping rock formations on Earth. It jells out horizontally from a cliff over the shimmering blue waters of Lake Ringdalsvatnet, creating the illusion that you're standing on the edge of the world. Getting there isn't easy. It's a 27-kilometer round-trip hike through rugged mountain terrain. But the reward is a view so surreal it almost feels computer-generated. Standing there, surrounded by Norway's icy peaks and endless fjords, you can't help but feel like you've stepped into a fantasy landscape brought to life. Number 4. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. When it rains, this vast salt flat transforms into the largest mirror on Earth. Stretching across over 10,000 square kilometers, it reflects the sky so perfectly that it's nearly impossible to tell where the Earth ends and the heavens begin. At sunrise or sunset, it feels like you're walking through a dream, an infinite horizon of clouds beneath your feet. Fun fact, astronauts have used it to calibrate satellites because it's one of the flattest surfaces in the world. Number 3. The Glowworm Caves, New Zealand. Deep beneath the lush hills of Waitomo lies a glowing secret. Thousands of tiny bioluminescent glowworms illuminate the darkness, creating a ceiling of twinkling blue lights that look like a night sky underground. As you drift silently through the cave on a small boat, the only sound is water dripping from above. It's eerie, magical, and completely surreal. Number 2. Pamukkale, Turkey. Translated as Cotton Castle, Pamukkale is a surreal landscape of white terraces made from mineral-rich thermal waters. These naturally formed pools spill down the hillside like frozen waterfalls, filled with warm, milky blue water. It's one of those places that make you question whether you've stepped into a dream or a painting. And finally, number 1, the Northern Lights, Arctic Circle. Few things compare to witnessing the aurora borealis. When ribbons of green, pink, and purple light ripple across the night sky, it's pure magic, like Earth itself is alive and dancing. Whether you're in Iceland, Norway, or Canada's Yukon, standing under the aurora is an experience that feels completely unreal, yet profoundly real at the same time. It's a reminder that our planet is full of wonders we're still discovering, and that sometimes the most surreal places aren't hidden at all. We just have to look up. If you enjoyed this journey through Earth's most unbelievable places, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss my next video. And if you want to relax after this adventure, check out my Switzerland 4K scenic relaxation video. It's perfect for sleep, study, or just unwinding while surrounded by the beauty of nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.